In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from Revolut to Chime. Whether you're paying a friend or moving funds between your own accounts, transferring money is a straightforward process when you know how. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the Revolut app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the Payments tab. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen and marked with an icon that resembles a dollar sign. Tapping on this will take you to the Payments section, where you can manage all your transfers and payments. Now, you have a couple of options. If you've already saved your Chime bank account as a recipient in Revolut, you can simply select it from your list of saved recipients. This makes things a lot quicker because you won't have to enter the bank details again. However, if you haven't saved it yet, don't worry. You can simply tap on Bank Transfer. This will guide you through the process of entering your Chime bank details, including the account and routing numbers, so make sure you have those handy. Next, it's time to decide how much money you want to send. Enter the amount in the designated field. Make sure you double-check the currency to ensure it's correct, especially if you're dealing with multiple currencies in your Revolut account. Once you've entered the amount, take a moment to review all the details. This includes checking the recipient's name, the bank account number, and the transfer amount. It's always a good idea to be thorough here to avoid any mistakes. Once you're confident that everything looks correct, go ahead and tap the Send button. This will initiate the transfer from your Revolut account to your Chime account. You might be asked to confirm the transaction or enter a security code, depending on your app settings, to ensure everything is secure. And that's it! Your money will now be on its way from Revolut to Chime. Transfers can take a little time depending on the bank's processing speeds, but you should see your funds in your Chime account shortly. Congratulations on completing the transfer, and be sure to keep an eye on your accounts to confirm when the transaction has been completed. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy transferring!